I have low sodium apricot teriyaki sauce. Yeah, I made that. If you Google it, it doesn't come up. Sue Google. All right, wait for it. Wow, all right. Time for the fire. Wait for it. Let it cook until there was moisture on the lid. It's not fully done yet, but I did not defrost. It's about a tablespoon. What is that, right? We're already starting the thickening process. This is psyllium husk powder. I'm probably the only person using this. It is animal-based gelatin. Nope, plant-based. Alright, I'll let it cool off, maybe 5 minutes, back to the fire. More than 10 minutes. And the nice thing about tilapia, it's the fish world chicken thighs. I don't have to worry about overcooking it. I will just use this. Ooh, nice caramelization from the apricot teriyaki sauce, right? Alright, wait for it. The nice thing is, I don't have to put it back on the fire. I just leave it right there and let it cool. Or I wait 10 minutes and I'm ready to serve. I haven't used my digital thermometer for a while. 134, 142.